rocket man, burning down the streets of paradise. You feel me?
Yes.
You wanna suck my dick?
No.
Cause I'm a rocket man. Epic! Fuck yeah! Wait, are they towing his car? Oh, it's blinking.
Dragon flip!
Oh my god!
No! No! Oh my god! Oh my god!
I got hit the other day. Fuck! And it hurts. Fuck! My arm hurts. The medallion. Fuck!
Yes!
Big floppy wiener.
You faggot.
Double ankle. Ow! Oh!
Fucking gnar.
Whoa! Oh my god! Where's this coming from?
Yeah! Suck big dick at the law. Fuck!
Hey! Read the rules!
Oh, alright.
Fuck you and your rules.
Hey! I said read my fucking rule! I just said. So just.
Brandon, you get shit on.
Why would you do that?
Remember that fucking Chinese lady as soon as we got on the parking lot? She's like, Wolverine.
Switchback 180!
Fuck yeah! Buddhism roll. Fucking Buddhism
You guys playing a game
Back over you.
Yeah, girl.
That's the first fucking tray flip I've landed in 5 months.
5 months.